Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to write on here now. You can use a marker or pen or whatever that you'd like to use. Pick either side. It doesn't matter which side. Alright? And I want you to just go down, make sure it's opened, okay? Pull on both sides, both of the open flaps, and pull it. And it should be open to look like this. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm just going to write 1 squared, and I'm going to keep going down, 2 squared, can you see it? 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, all the way down. Okay, you should get down to 12 squared on the left-hand side, then start over up here. 13 squared, 14 squared, 15 squared, 16 squared, keep going all the way down. If you get confused, pause it, rewind it. Shouldn't get behind because you can watch it as many times as you want. Alright, so that's what it should look like. Do you have it on the screen? This is what it should look like from this side of it. Alright, now on the inside of this, we're going to put the answers to all of these. Okay? We'll talk more about what 1 squared and 2 squared and 3 squared means. For now, I'll just say, we've talked about this a little bit. 1 squared means 1 times 1. 2 squared means 2 times 2. 3 squared means 3 times 3. Okay? We're going to put the answers to these on the inside. So what I want you to do is I want you to take the foldable and I want you to push the flaps away from you like this. Okay? I'll show you again. Take the foldable and push the flaps away from you like this. Then I want you to take it and you should be able to open it up like so. Okay? This is where our answers are going to go. Let me show you. Alright? Now, you might want to come closer in to get the answers. Okay. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. I'm just going to keep going. Kennedy, you're getting this on camera? Okay. 64, 81, 100, 121, and 144. Now let me show you. 3 squared. I can turn it over and I can see my answer. Got it? 7 squared. I can turn it over. I can see my answer. Okay? Alright, here's the other side. 13 squared is 169. 196. $576. Alright, here's the other side of the answers. See, 16 squared, turn it over, it's 256. 19 squared, can you see it, Kennedy?
Yes.
19 squared, turn it over, it's 361. Alright, now we're going to do the other side. We're still not done. We're going to go through 48 squared. So here's what I want you to do. Oops, hate when that happens. Pause it. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to take the flaps at the back and I want you to pull it. Okay? Now, turn it over. Okay? We're going to do the rest of the squares. We're going to go through 48 squared. Okay, we ended at 24 squared. So we're going to start at the top up here with what? 25 squared. 26 squared. 27 squared. 28 squared. Keep going. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's right. Should end at 36 squared at the bottom here. Then come up to the top on the right hand side, 37 squared. And you should end at 48 squared. Alright, now we're going to go on the inside of this side. Alright, take your foldable, fold the flaps away from you. Okay, now I'm going to open it up, and I've got all this space on this side now to write the answers. Okay, I'll do that again. Watch. Okay, you're on the side that has the 25 squared, 26 squared, all of that. Alright, take the foldable, fold the flaps away from you. Okay, then you open it up, and you've got all of this room to write the answers here. Okay, here's the answers to this side. 25 squared, that's 625. And we've got, okay, 676. Then 729. 784, 841, 900, 961, 1024, 1024. Next is 1089, 1156, 1225, and 1296. Okay? Top right, 1369, 1444, 1521, 1600, 1681, 1764, 1849, 1936, 2025, 2116, 2209, and the last one, 48 squared, is 2304. So here's what this side should look like. Can you get it all on one screen? Okay, so take a minute, pause it if you need to, get your numbers down correctly. What you'll notice is you've got this side, 29 squared, turn it over, it's 841. Down here, 33 squared, turn it over, that's 1089. Remember, that just means 33 times 33. Alright, and then if I wanted to go to the other side, I just hold the flaps at the back. See, this is what happens when you don't make your little pieces big enough. When you cut a little bit too much off, this is what I was talking about, the paper keeps slipping out. Alright, so if that's what's happening to you, you might want to consider making those slips a little bigger. But now, if I want to go to the other side, I simply pull to open, turn it over, fold the flaps away from me, and there's my answers to the other side. Okay, pull the flaps, open it, turn it over, fold the flaps away from me, and open it up to the other side. Okay, so you can take these, you can decorate them. If you'll notice my first one I showed you, I made little headings for it, square roots, decorate it any way you want to. These are going to be yours to keep. You need to bring them into class tomorrow because we're going to be using them to do our classwork. So you need them. Don't also forget that I also gave you your test back yesterday on integers, and the corrections for those are due tomorrow as well. So you need to make your square root foldable, and you need to correct your tests, and I need all of that by tomorrow. Okay? See you tomorrow.